Welcome. This video is designed to guide you through the process of establishing and registering your chapter using the new Chapter Management Dashboard. Start by visiting the NAEA website at www.arteducators.org. Once you're on the NAEA homepage, on the top right corner is a login button. Log in using your NAEA credentials. If you currently don't have an NAEA account, click Join Now below the login button. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Once you've logged in, click on the Establish a New Chapter link. This will direct you to create a chapter profile. To start the process, click Create Chapter Profile. Begin by filling out your school information, along with the sponsor information. If you don't have a co-sponsor, please put NA for co-sponsor email. Fill out your principal information, and please describe how your chapter will support student members throughout the academic year to ensure the national expectations set forth in the Constitution are met. Then click Save. Welcome to the Chapter Management Dashboard. Here you'll be able to see your chapter information along with the sponsor information, your chapter status with your chapter ID number. Below you'll see options for things you might need to do for your chapter. Below you'll see helpful downloads along with upcoming dates and opportunities. Before we begin the registration process, you will need to download the Excel template here. Start by filling out the chapter ID number. Each row should have a chapter ID number in current school year, which is 2018/2019. Then fill out the grade, first and last name, along with email addresses, which are optional but highly encouraged. Once you are done, please save as a CSV. Now it's time to register your chapter. Start by clicking Register My School Chapter. This will prompt you to upload your Excel document. Choose the file, then click Import. This will ask you to validate your records. If you come across any errors, please don't hesitate to reach out. Once you validate, this will take you to the step 3 to process payment. Here, you'll be able to see your shopping cart and payment options, pay by card or pay by check. If you're paying by check, please click Mailing Check. You have now successfully established and registered your chapter. Your chapter status will be pending until payment is received. Questions? If you need additional information or assistance, contact NAEA Member Services at nahs@arteducators.org or 800-299-8321.